Okay, children, you can put on your videos. Hello. Please put on the videos. Okay, so how are the studies going on? Hello, how are the studies going on, children?
Ma'am, nice.
Can you hear me?
Good, ma'am. Thanks.
How's it? Nice. Great. Have you got
Ma'am,
your previous class results?
Yes, ma'am. Long ago.
yes, ma'am.
How was it?
Like 60, 80%.
Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
I didn't get my result.
You didn't get your result? Okay. When are you getting it?
Ma'am, I already submitted, but I didn't get the result.
Okay. The PTM is over in your school? Or you're still waiting for the PTM?
Okay, you're talking about PTM, ma'am. I thought that rational numbers test.
No. I'm asking your previous class result. You didn't get it. This weekend test. With this, I have to go.
Okay, ma'am.
The Sunday test. No, this one I'm not asking this. This is yet to be given by me. Okay. So we are done with the rational numbers now. Okay. I hope it's clear to everyone. The chapter. If one still has doubt in this
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Great. Lovely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Pranav can put on the video. Gaganna, please put the video on. I hope you enjoy your maths class. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, really? Do you like studying maths?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Great. That's very nice to hear. Okay, so children, today we'll be starting with the next chapter, that is linear equations in one variable, right? Okay. Now see, in your class 7, you must have studied about simple equations. No, in your class 7th, I guess in class 6 also you must have studied simple equations. Okay. So just a step ahead in that field is your linear equation in one variable. Just a one step ahead in the same context. Right? So let's see how. Okay. Hello. I'll share the screen and we'll do some sums first. Okay, we'll get to know. So from here, we are starting a new page. Okay, the thickness also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
that day I've posted a question on chat, no, ma'am.
Ha. No, I didn't go through that question.
Okay, ma'am.
I read the question, but I didn't find it relevant. Okay. So I did not think much about it. Let me just. The thickness is this much. Okay, this is better. Okay, so this is now chapter 2. This is linear equations. Linear equations in one variable, right? Okay, one variable means when we have just one variable. What is variable?
Where, ma'am, variable is like a container which stores a value.
Variable has some value. Okay, but that is not known to us. We need to find that value out. Okay, variable is that value. Okay. Now I'm just taking a question from here. Suppose I have this equation 2x minus 3 equals to 7. Okay. If somebody tells me to find the value of x, now here x is the variable. This you all know. Okay. X is the variable, 2 is the coefficient. Right?
Ma'am, x is equals to 5.
So from here how do you find the value of x? You take 3 this side, that is called transposing. When you take number on the other side of equal to sign, that is called transposing. So you
I'm
have
10
10
by 2.
this side and you have 2 multiplied with x also here. So your x now 2 will come this side again, it will become divide. So this is 2. Okay. So that means x is equal to 5. Did you understand this? This all you have studied in your maybe class 7th in transposing chapter also. Okay, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So suppose if you have another equation, 2y plus 9 equals to 4. So how do you find the value of y? First, what will I do? I'll take the other term on the other side. That means if I take 9 on the other side, it will become minus. So 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Now y, I want the value of y. I'll take 2 also on the other side. So this becomes minus 5 by 2. Right? This is my value of 5. Right? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Ma'am,
Any child who's not understanding can raise your hand, can ask. Okay.
Once again, ma'am.
Explain once again. Okay. See here. See, so I have assumed an equation 2x minus 3 equals to 7. I want to find the value of x here. What is the value of x for which this equation should hold true? Hold true means I want that value of x where left hand side should be equal to right hand side. I want that value of x जिससे कि side right side के equal हो जाए. Okay, understanding? Now to do that, what will I do? I will take this minus 3 on the other side of equal to sign, and when it goes other side, this minus sign will change to plus. Right? So this becomes 7 plus 3, that is 10. And now I have 2x left here. So I just want the value of x. So I will remove 2 also from here. I will take 2 from here. And since 2 is multiplying this side, when it goes on the other side, it will be dividing. Okay, so 10 divided by 2 will give me 5. Okay, 2 ones are and 2 fives are 10. I get 5. So my value of x has come out to be 5. Okay, now still if you want to check your answer, what will you do in this case? Now you have your value of x 5. So in place of x, you will just write 5 minus 3 and check. So this gives you 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. And this is your right hand side. So you have got your right hand side by putting this value of x. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So same is the case in this example also. Here I want the value of y. So what did I do? I wanted to make my left side. This is my left hand side. This is my right hand side, RHS. I want to make my left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. And to make it equal, I need some value of this y. अब y से तो कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा है ना, until y has some value. So I will find the value of y. So what will I do in this case? I will take all other numbers. Okay? Other than y, I will take all other numbers on the other side. Slowly, slowly, one by one, I will take it. So first I have plus 9 this side. When it goes on the other side, sign always changes. Whenever the number goes on the other side of equal to sign, the operation changes. Okay, here it is plus, it will become minus. If it is multiply, it will become divide. If it is divide this side, it will become multiply on the other side. So now here this is plus. When it went on the other side, it became minus. So 4 minus 9 gave me minus 5. Now I still had 2 with y. So I wanted to remove this 2 also. So I took down this 2, and this 2 was, since multiplying this side, it changed to divide. So it became minus 5 divided by 2. So this is my value of y. Now if I want to check my answer, I can still check. Just by putting this value of y in this equation, I will check whether my left side is equal to right side. So 2 cancels, minus 5 plus 9. So that gives me 4. And this is the right hand side. Okay, I've got my right hand side, which is this. Is it? I hope it's quite clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do some more sums. So you have similar sums in the exercise also. Let's do some of the sums. I have this exercise 2.1 in the book. You can also check if you have. Okay, I'm just taking an example, a question from here. Z6 equals to Z plus 2. Okay, so I have now Z on this side, on the right side. So this does not make difference. If I write like this or like this, okay, it does not make difference. All the more they are on the either sides. So I want to find the value of Z. What will I do? I will take this 2 on the other side. So it becomes minus here, and I get my value of Z to be equals to 2. Okay? Right, children?
Ma'am, Z is equal to 4.
6 minus 4, no? So 2.
When you transpose plus 2, it will become minus 2.
Okay. No, it's 2. Okay, this is 2 here. So Z is 4. Right? Okay,
Yes.
children? Okay, now let's see another question. 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. Now, how will you do this? I want to find the value of x. I will take all other numbers on the other side. So that is 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7.
Ma'am, 14 by 7.
Yes, very good. Denominators are same, so I will just subtract the
The
numerator.
answer is
Ma'am,
2,
2,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Answer is 2. So that means value of x is 2. Right, children? Anyone
Ma'am.
doubt till here? Any
No,
child
ma'am.
has a doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Good. Who has written this? X by 2 plus 3 by 2 equals to 2x by 5 minus 1. We are coming to that beta. Don't jump there. I'm coming to that. Okay. That
Ma'am,
is
me, ma'am.
Pranav, that is when you have variables on both sides. I'm coming to that. Okay.
It seems the answer is minus 25, ma'am. I'm not getting that answer.
We'll come to that. When
Okay,
we come to that, we'll discuss.
Okay, ma'am.
Question 2x by 3 equals to 18. So here again, so in this case, now here I can see 3 is dividing with this number. So when it goes on the other side, it will become multiply. 18 is multiplied by 3. 2 is
54.
multiplied.
54. 54.
When it is multiplied on the other side, it will get like this. Okay, so that is 9 7 is 3 7
Then 27.
is 27. So you get your value of x like this. Right, children? Okay. Let's do another one. X by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 15. Can you try this? Try yourself now. Try yourself. Take this 1 on the other side. And you have this 3. Take this 3 also on the other side. Please do it. Everyone must do. Everyone must do. I'm going to check everyone's notebooks.
Ma'am, x is equal to minus 8 by 5.
Okay, x is equal to minus 8 by 5. Let me check with others also. Are all getting the same answer? Everyone got the same? Hello, say something. Have all got the same answer? Ronit, what is your answer?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Gagana, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I told minus 8 by 5.
Okay, that was you. Lasya, what's your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Still doing my morning, please. Pardon me.
Charantej, give your answer.
I'm doing my last.
Varshit,
Ma'am, I got 2 by 5.
say loudly.
2 by 5.
Can't hear you, say loudly.
2 by 5, ma'am.
Still can't hear. Write in the chat box. Yes, done. Charantej, done your work?
Ma'am,
1 second. Yes, Charantej.
Ma'am,
I am Pranav.
I'm asking
Ma'am,
Charantej. Wait for some time.
Ma'am, I'm getting answer is 2 by 5.
2 by 5. How are you getting 2 by 5? Let's check.
Ma'am, I'm getting minus 8 by 5, ma'am.
Okay, that's not okay.
Ma'am, once can you explain how we
Yes,
got
some are
minus
getting 2
8 by
by
5?
5. Why so? Okay, let's do this. Now x by 3, when you take the 1 on the other side, you subtract it. 1 means 1 by 1. So when you have 15, you have 7 minus 15. This gives you minus 8 by 15. Now you want your value of x this side. Okay, now this 3 is dividing this side. On the other side, it will go and multiply. Okay, so 3 ones are and 3 fives are. So it's minus 8 by 5. Who is getting 2 by 5 and other numbers? Okay. So make the correction in your calculation. By the time we'll see next question. Now, see, there are so many questions in this exercise 2.1. So you must complete this exercise 2.1 questions. Okay. So many questions now I have done. Now I want the rest that you should complete. Okay. So complete exercise 2.1. Right? For homework. Okay. We have done some sums. The remaining ones you should try. Now coming to the application part. How do we apply that? Okay, application means now we'll be doing some statement sums. Okay. Okay. How do we apply it in our equations? Okay, in the sums. Now see the first question. What should be added? What added to twice, this is twice the rational number, twice the rational number minus 7 get 3/7. Okay, this is the question. What should be added to twice the rational number? This. Now, twice the rational number means what? Twice. Twice means 2 into minus 7/3. Yes. So that becomes minus 14/3. So this is twice the rational number. Now the question is asking what should be added. Now this what, I'm taking this what as x. Let this what be x. Okay. So let the number that I want to add be x. Let the number be x. Let the number to be added be x. Okay. So now x plus minus 14/3 should give me 3/7. This is what the question says. What should be added to twice the number to get 3/7? Okay. So now value for x. So x is 9. What will it? 3/7. Now this is plus here. Now when it goes on the other side, it will become minus, right? So minus of minus 14/3. Right? Are you getting? Are you understanding this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
3/7.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus into minus becomes plus. So 14/3. Now you can just add them as you do for the fractions. Okay, you take the LCM. Okay, 3 becomes 9. 14 into 7 becomes 7 4 is 28. That becomes 98. 98 plus 9 is 9 8 is 7. That is 107/21. Is it? So this is your value of x, right?
Yes, ma'am.
X is 107/21. That means this number should be added to twice of this number minus 7/3 so that you get 3/7. So this is your required value of x. Okay. I hope you all have understood. Everyone? Any child who has not understood can ask, can raise your hand.
No, ma'am.
Great. Okay, now moving to the exercise questions. Okay, there are so many example questions here.
Ma'am,
And
can you play the second step again, ma'am? Second step and the last step.
last step, this one, addition. Or this.
No, ma'am, no, 1 second step.
See, first you found the twice of the number. You understood this part.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you need to add some number so that you get 3/7. You want to add some number to this twice of the number, so that you get 3/7. So what do I do when I add this and this minus 14/3? When it goes on the other side of the equal to, it becomes minus. This was getting added here with x. So when it goes on the other side, it becomes minus. Okay. Understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
sum. Now when you solve this equation, this side, right hand side, now we have minus and minus signs together. So they may minus and minus becomes plus.
Plus.
So you get 3 by 7 plus 14 by 3, right? And you simply, as you add normally, you take the LCM and add the numbers. Okay, so that's how you get your value for x. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, understood, Victor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now coming to the exercise one. This is exercise 2.2. Okay. Now I'm coming to exercise 2.2, which is based on the application. Okay, now see this. Let's see question number 1 in this. If you subtract, I think I shouldn't write the question. Should I write the question? Okay, I'll write. Maybe some of you are having some different books. Okay, now the question is, children, you can note down. Those who don't have NCRT and are having some other books, you can note down the question. But for the NCRT children, you might have this question. Still, if you don't have, then you can also note down. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, just a second, children. Okay, children. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you need to read these questions carefully and understand how to make an equation. You get 1 by 8. What is the number? What is the number? Okay, now see this. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, now we don't know this number. हमें ये number नहीं पता, है ना? We don't know a number. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, and you multiply whatever answer you get, you multiply it by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? अब मुझे नंबर नहीं पता. Now I am just making my equation. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, let the number be x. Okay, I'm just taking it. Let the number be x. Now it is saying in the first part, it's saying if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number. Okay, I subtracted from x 1 by 2. Okay, this is my first step. Then what it is saying? And multiply the result. Okay, now whatever result I get by multiplying, subtracting this, and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Okay, I multiply this with 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. Okay, I get 1 by 8. When I multiply with this, I get 1 by 8. What is the number? Okay, now what is this? So this is my equation now. This is my polynomial equation. Here I
Ma'am.
have to just find the value of x now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got 3 by 4, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. We will also try. Okay, children. So you understood how to make the statement? Did you understand how to make the statement? How to make the equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, see, just read whatever is written, just try noting down them down. Okay? So let's do this. When I multiply this, x minus 2, I want to find. So first I will remove 1 by 2 from here. This 1 by 2 is multiplying this side. When it goes on the other side, it will become divide. So when it gets divide 1 by 2, so what I do, I multiply and take the reciprocal of it. Is it? This is what I do. This is how I multiply. So this is 2 ones and 2 fours. So I get 1 by 4 this side. So this is now x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So this much is done. Now again, still I want x here. Now this 1 by 2 is getting subtracted here. When this goes on the other side, this will become plus. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now when I add them, what do I get? I get the LCM is 4 here. This becomes 1, 2 2 is 4. So yes, this is 2. So this is 3 by 4. That means the value of x is 3 by 4. Did you understand this, children?
I got that answer only, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Pranav. I'm asking others also. Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay. Try understanding the questions because I'll give you some questions for you now. Okay. So before that, we will do some more practice. Okay. Now see the question number. Let's see the third question in the book. I'm writing the question. The base of an isosceles triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeters. You can write down the questions. The perimeter of a triangle is perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15. This is a mixed fraction, 4 2 by 15 centimeters. Okay, we'll stop here. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? What is the length? Try to understand the question. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? Right? Now let's understand the question first. Okay. You see here, the base of an isosceles triangle is given here. Suppose this is a triangle. Make an image in your mind. Okay, so base of an isosceles triangle is given here 4 by 3 centimeters. The perimeter of a triangle is also given. Okay, the complete perimeter is given. What is the length of either sides of the remaining equal side? Now in an isosceles triangle, you know that two sides are equal, is it? Any two sides are equal. So these are the two sides which are equal. Now, given side is given side is 4 by 3 centimeters, and perimeter also you can write down whatever is given. We are just writing down that. So perimeter is given 4 2 by 15. So when you convert this to an improper fraction, what do you get? What do you get when you convert this to improper fraction? 15 4 is
I'm 62 by 50.
Ma'am, 62, ma'am.
62 by
62, ma'am.
15.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm getting 28 by 5, ma'am.
Okay. Let us check. Okay. Let the equal sides of a triangle be x. Okay, we don't know what is the sides, no? So let these two equal sides be x. Okay, let the equal sides of a triangle be x. So that means to find the perimeter, what do we want? X plus 4/3. That means all sides should add up and should get this value of a perimeter. This is what we want. Okay. So the x plus x will become 2x. 2x plus 4/3 is equal to 62/15. So when this 4/3 goes on the other side of the equal to sign, what does it become? What does it become?
Reciprocal.
So
Ma'am, minus.
this
Subtraction.
is become minus. Okay. So just do that minus.
Then the LCM will get, then the LCM is 15. So 62 minus
5.
20.
Okay. So this
So
becomes
42/15.
42/15. And to find the value of x, this 2 will go on the other side, it will become divide. So 42/15, and on divide, when you do divide, so 2/1 will become 1/2, right?
But we have 42 and 15 can cancel with 3, no ma'am.
That also you can
3
do.
5s are 3 14s are.
So that you can do, okay? Okay, that also you can do. So 21. So now also again you get 3 5s and 3 7s. So you're getting 7/3. Is it? This is what you're getting? 7/5. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So your value, that means the equal sides are 7/5 centimeters, right? I hope you all have understood.
Yes, ma'am.